The climate control system can automatically maintain independent comfort levels for the driver and passenger, even under changing weather conditions. Use the temperature control knobs to set the desired temperature for the driver and the passenger sides. Then press the corresponding auto buttons, and the system will automatically maintain that comfort level via the heating and air conditioning systems. You can change the set temperatures at any time during automatic operation, or turn the rear defroster, air conditioning, or air recirculation features on or off, or push sync to synchronize the driver and passenger temperatures. The system will adjust to accommodate each new request. Speaking of air recirculation, this feature can keep odors and traffic exhaust out of your cabin. It will also optimize cooling when you first turn on the AC. Air recirculation has 3 modes: automatic, forced activation, and forced deactivation. Press the button once for automatic recirculation. The left side indicator will light up. This mode leaves your auto climate feature in control of recirculation. Press it again for forced activation. The indicator on the right will illuminate. In this mode, recirculation is always on. Press the button a 3rd time, and both indicator lights will turn off to let you know you're in forced deactivation mode, which always lets outside air circulate through your system. For manual system operation, adjust the controls to your desired settings. To turn the air conditioning on or off in manual mode, push the air conditioning button in the center of the blower speed knob. Push the front defrost button to activate the front window defrost. Push the rear defrost button to activate the rear window defrost. Keep in mind, you cannot use defrost and air recirculation at the same time. To turn the climate controls off, turn the fan speed control all the way counterclockwise. The off message will appear on your information and entertainment system radio screen. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.